My name is Anushka Anand and I'm a product manager on Tableau Prep. Today I'm going to show you how to group and alias data values in Prep. Cleaning data often involves fixing up misspellings or standardizing data values that come from different sources. Let's see how to do this in Prep. There are a lot of messy vehicle names in this vehicle type column. We can simply double-click on this value of 98 Chevrolet and get rid of the 98. This instantly fixes up over 2,000 data rows. But there are a lot more values to fix, so let's lean on the built-in algorithms in Tableau Prep to group and replace these values by pronunciation. On the left are the target results. On the right, you can see what values have been grouped together. Audi correctly groups the right set of values. Chevrolet groups the misspelling. Let's fix the Honda group. It has correctly grouped the models of Hondas, but let's keep the target Honda. We didn't have an original value of Honda in our sample data, so we get one marked with a red dot. If tomorrow we get a data value with Honda, it'll be grouped correctly. And we're done. Grouping and aliasing data values in Tableau Prep is that easy. Stay tuned for more skill pills.